I did my project on the detainees at Guantanamo Bay. I said that the United States does not uphold the preamble through Guantanamo Bay. Although it did provide for the common defense and domestic tranquility, it doesn't adhere to the liberties and justice for all. What is Guantanamo? The Guantanamo Bay Detention Camp is a detainment and interrogation facility of the United States military located within Guantanamo Bay in Cuba. There are 3 different camps on site: Camp Delta, Camp Iguana, and Camp X-Ray, which has been closed. Each camp has different levels of comfort. If prisoners cooperate and determined as non-threatening, they are awarded with group meals instead of inside their cells, showers, longer exercise, and bathrooms. The Bush administration established the camp in 2002, and it is still running today. Who is held there? The prisoners are held there if they are connected to the opponents of the global war on terror, including Afghanistan and Iraq. Around 200 detainees were released in 2004 without a trial to determine if they were enemy combatants. Since the camp opened, there have been just under 800 men brought to Guantanamo. Only men are held at the camps. Data from the Department of Defense has been released in 2006, proving that over 80% of the prisoners were captured, not by Americans on the battlefield, but by Pakistanis and Afghans, often in exchange for bounty payments. Most detainees in 2006 were low-level people who were not affiliated with organizations on U.S. terrorist lists. Also, in late 2006, President Bush announced that 14 high-value detainees were to be transferred to Guantanamo Bay Detention Camp from the custody of the CIA. Bush admitted that these suspects had been held in CIA secret prisons overseas, known as black sites. Some of the high-value detainees include Khalid Mohammed, who is believed to be the number 3 al-Qaeda leader, also an alleged 9/11 hijacker, and a man who is believed to be a link between Osama bin Laden and many al-Qaeda cells. None of the top 14 figures transferred to Guantanamo Bay from CIA custody had been charged with any war crime. The controversy surrounding Guantanamo Bay is, should the detainees have rights or not? The prisoners have uncertain rights due to their location not on American soil. At first, the Bush administration determined that detainees were not entitled to any of the protections of the Geneva Conventions. But in 2004, the Supreme Court ruled that the detainees are minimally protected by the conventions. Since 2004, provisions have been made. The detainees are protected by the Geneva Conventions, and the Military Commissions Act provides a due process system for the detainees. There are many allegations of torture and abuse of prisoners at Guantanamo Bay. It has been revealed by Red Cross that many detainees have undergone torture, including humiliating acts, solitary confinement, temperature extremes, and use of force positions. One of the things President Obama promised in his campaign speeches was for Guantanamo Bay to be closed permanently. In 2009, President Obama ordered the government to suspend all prosecutions of Guantanamo Bay detainees for 120 days to review the detainees' cases to determine whether and how each detainee should be prosecuted. In Obama's efforts to close the camp, more controversy has been created. If the camp were closed, the detainees would be transferred into the United States to be held. In 2011, the Defense Authorization Bill placed restrictions on the transfer of detainees to the United States or other foreign countries. Guantanamo Bay has yet to be closed due to strong opposition in Congress. Currently, Guantanamo Bay faces even more challenges. Although occurring since 2005, a new wave of hunger strikes amongst the detainees arose in early 2013. Although some provisions have been made, Guantanamo Bay and its detainees do not uphold the preamble.